So dire guys, nagduwa og ML guys, dire guys, tanawa lang ninyo guys. Pagkadugay mag-ready sa kalaban guys, piniskot. Dula og RJ dire guys, gamit kog Cho tanawa paggamit sa Cho ha. Sa mga ato siyang i-pass forward gamay no kay marugdugid-dugay jud ning picking ni. Tanawa naggamit kog diretso kay para ipakita na ko sa inyo ba kung paano magdalag Cho nga, paano gahi makatuon mo sa kuwag mga wala kabalo nga skills, wala pa nagamit sa mga uban ba. So first ana giban ako dire ang nagban ko dire unsa na kalimot ko sang giban Bilirik na kay di ko ka atake tarong ana, di ko ka lock og hero ba. So first you dapat ana nakakita mo ana ang akong maniac, naka 18 kills ko nya 1 death unya 4 assist. Dapat namoy nga ana guys, una guys para na ingana na gi-switch din ko kay gahi daw kay ko daw mag-Cho. Tanawa ninyo nya gyud sa nang kalaban gibalagbag kay nako. So mo to guys na nagpick siya og Julian Dra guys kay mo nang katapat sa lane mo abinaw corner nila mo din ang katapat nako. So balagbag guys daw niya tanawa guys giyagayagan. Ingani ang emblem guys sa pag mag-Cho ko dapat sundugon ninyo na akong item. Na ito na nag-ready na. Sound check sa tadra, sound check.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I fall. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out.
Una gyud na guys, magbuhat jud mo highlight sana guys. Tanawa ganin yung pakita sa kalaban karon na. Tanawa, tipi-tipi ka sa kuha ha. Aray mo ha ay. Tanawa nyo ha. Ana guys so. Pak flicker na ulti. Nice kawan.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
But it's too late now, I remember you and me, and how careless we could
Yeah.
be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never run. We hook up in my car, driving so far. Play your guitar, you show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun, orbit when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come on.
So makita ninyo diri mga guys na hapit na jud human ng dulay. Nga na lang mga balagbag mga guys oh na human. Di ba? Dugmok ang kalaban sa kuha, ang Julian Wakabalos. Victory. Tanaw, kinsang MVP? MVP loss ko. Atik lang. Wala bitaw ko ng MVP. I-like na to, i-like na to, i-like kay para ano ba? Di siya mag-guilty. Like. Bye-bye guys. Love you. Mama chup chup.